I'll guide you through how to make finance videos using AI. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and search for Gemini Pro subscription. Click on the top result, which should take you to Google's official Gemini AI page. Once there, click on Get Started under the Google AI Pro section. Then, select Get Google AI Pro to begin your trial, which includes access to the VO3. After activating your trial, return to the Gemini homepage. At the top right corner, click the Try Gemini button to launch the Gemini interface. Now you're ready to create. In the prompt box, type in whatever you want Gemini to generate. For this example, I typed, "People explain how to save money on a low income." Gemini will process your prompt and begin generating a detailed response. This usually takes just a few seconds. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed Gemini Pro, activated the free trial for VO3, and generated your first prompt. It's quick, easy, and completely free to try.